Hello everyone, my name is Jean-Francois Dupras. This is a quick thank you video for Scott Walker. Great friend of mine, and just want to see how much I enjoy his 3 sessions. I did 3 sessions with him with his Unity Field Healing, and after every single one of those sessions, I really enjoyed how calm I felt, how more at peace I felt. And on top of the session, which I had 3 again, I really enjoyed the time I spent talking with Scott afterwards. He's a really compassionate, really loving and caring person. And I believe the treatment and the conversation we had afterward was really beneficial to my physical and mental health. And yeah, every 3 times I felt absolutely calm, peaceful, and much better. And I was just going through some difficult time in my life at that point, and having received the treatments and chatting with Scott really helped me. So I do recommend Scott, and I know he's offering different services with his business, so please take a look at his website. Don't be afraid to send him any requests you may have or ask any question. He is really a really nice and inspiring person. So thank you.